What up, what up, what up? What up, what up, what up? Don't mind my bonnet, okay? Still looking cute. It's in the morning, so leave me alone. Yesterday was hella crazy, and today's gonna be hella crazy. You're gonna see in a few what the vibe is today, what the motive is today, what's gonna be happening today. So I'm gonna see what I'm gonna wear, and then we are ready to turn it up.
I am so fly, my limit is the sky, and I'm not scared of shining bright. I am so fly, my limit is the sky, and I'm not scared of shining bright.
Ta-da! This is the look. Still waiting for the location. And then when I get there, I'm gonna change from this into whatever I have, which you'll see after. I like to take my, well, it said MAC, it's just kind of, oh yeah, I thought it rubbed off or something, I don't even know. Anyways, this is my MAC powder, so I like to take it with me, you know, just in case I'm going out, my face looks oily, or maybe I'm dancing and I'm, you know, sweating or something and I have to powder my face. Yeah, this is what I do. We don't want to be out here looking shiny, and it's summer, and especially in some of those countries that are always warm all year round. Yeah, this is mine. Let me see. I'm shooting myself on, okay, my mirror is dirty at the moment, but as you can see, look at that. Where is this girl? Look at this girl. She's like, how did this girl get here before me? Quinn, how did I get here before you? Quinn! Quinn, don't be frustrated. That's okay. Well, she look beautiful. No, because I saw it and it was like said 30 minutes. I'm like, I'm not gonna wait. Just or that's why I was like, give me an edge.
Okay. This is Quinn.
Hello.
It's going crazy, like people calling me, trying to like coordinate. Boat captain called me.
It's too tall.
Jesus Christ. You can knock it.
Yeah, come on.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You guys can stand over here, right? And you guys never know
Nice.
Yeah.
You know, doing my vlogging thing, so don't mind me. Okay guys, so I'm about to change into my outfits. When you see what I'm wearing, you might have an idea of what I'm gonna be doing or what we're gonna be doing. You know, you might have an idea. So just let me get ready and be prepared, okay? what you guys think. Shots.
Can you tell me for it?
Do you have cheese?
Yeah, in the fridge.
Hello, ladies. Hi.
How many of us are
Do you remember? She was one that was serving us the drinks at the thing.
I do remember you. Oh my gosh.
She gorgeous.
That's her vlogging live. That's my guys. Is she beautiful?
Isn't she beautiful?
Girl.
She got the bum.
We about to turn up.
We about to turn up. Hey boy.
Happy birthday again to the king.
Kansas season.
Kansas season.
Cheers, cheers, cheers. Shut it. You lie. Plating.
Yeah, coming down. Coming down.
Oh my gosh, she looks scary.
You always want to sneak people for your vlog.
No, no.
I give it a little context.
¿Y por qué? ¿Para Jordi?
What?
Are we going to
Going to Uber, right?
Get this home so
Just follow him, man.
Not on my legs.
Just follow him. And then when you come
Oh, see? Because she's complaining. I'm helping her carry some cups. Gotta do everything. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, Quinn. See, thank you. It's all Quinn's fault. We're awesome.
We outside. Be again. Woo. Must be lit.
It's such a perfect day for a fucking boat.
Ever. You know, I'll go like this low to look for your angles. Is your...
Are you guys ready to see what's happening? Are you guys ready to see what we're gonna do? You're not ready? You're not ready? You're not ready?
They're not. I was trying to.
The Uber is here.
Boys don't deserve no pussy. I know that's right. Big bang, that's another Bentley band. Take a Balenciaga party back and all these bitches. It's big bags, that's another Bentley band. Take a minute, freaking back party.
But can't we just like...
That's like 10 minutes before us.
That's what I'm saying. They left before us, so if they're not here, can't we just go on and then they could meet us
If
on?
you want, you can come sit at those two tables there. It says this. Hey, let me give you a call back.
Look at this one.
Oh, you're looking
I
nice.
don't know who he thinks he is, eh? Celebrity? Of course. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Remember the girl was serving us? It was sisters. I know that.
Where we're going, we're going to go across the street. We're going to go around this building.
Shouldn't they have the little ding, ding, ding?
Now they got the jet ski.
Crafting on the boat. There is crafting on the boat. It is down below. I'm like, Karen, if we get pulled over for whatever reason and the Marine unit asks what is going on, we are all celebrating Brian's birthday. We all love each other. We're all friends. And you guys are on Karen and Skylar's boat. Nothing more, nothing less.
Please don't fall off the boat. Yeah, I'm gonna charge it too.
To be drunk. Alyssa? Yeah. You want a drink? You want a drink?
Let me get this. Hold on. Let me get this on film.
Are you going on the jet ski day? Yeah!
Okay.
Look who's going on that jet ski!
Everybody. Salute.
Where's my shot?
Salute. Guys, salute. Salute.
Yeah, I didn't mention.
Salute.
It's gonna be just a little uncomfortable first. Say, what do you say? Does he want you to visit me?
I need me some G.
Like, everyone has the same thing, you know what I mean? Just film a little bit.
You want the crown but don't know what it takes. I am the reason I'm not what you think. I cannot lose, I can walk with a bang. I hope you never say my name in vain. I'm with that, just not in no games. I know they say I can't, I cannot say the same. I bet they won't be shackled, then I did a shit.
Hey guys, it's moving like crazy.
It's a brand new beach.
It's the nude beach on the center island, but as you can see, there's no boats there and there's no people on the beach.
There's no nudity today.
There's no.
Rule number one to be a boss ass bitch. Never let a clown nigga try to play you. If he play you, then rule number two. Fuck his best friends and make them yes men. And get a dick pic and then you press send. And send a red heart and send a kissy face. And tell him that it's to hide your pussy face. And that's your three. I'm the school T. My horse look like I am a jewel thief. But that's just cause I am a boss bitch. Now macaroni cheese and grill my sword bitch. I'ma show you how to move. Mr. DJ, somebody replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? I'm the captain. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Hey, Mr. Hey, Mr. Buy one, even two, buy two. In the club, when you rock your body, let the bass run the speakers. Run through your speakers. Both if you see you move, and knock it to the groove. Down, shake it till the movie comes to sun. Everybody in the club, give me a run. If you ready to move, say hey, hey. No time for your mind, say hey, yeah. I'm ready for
bitch, I'm a king, but I never leave my head. What the fuck you mean? Hit the game, why me get lost? Tell that bitch keep on the draw, yeah, cause you know I was the draws, yeah. Baby can't taste it, can't call, no. I got a bitch.
Every second, every minute, every chance that I get, I be looking in your eyes. Baby girl,
I'm the love doctor, nigga fix teaching me about how
Strong, I got to keep feeling. Hey, what kind of shit is that?
Stick out your tongue, girls wanna have fun. Stick out your tongue, then a nigga have some. Stick out your tongue, girls wanna have fun. It's your birthday, then a nigga gave some. I'm the cream of the crop, and I know you want some. Nigga, yeah, I did it, and it can't be undone. Planets on my lap, and she wanna love some. Mama, she needs to get the rub.
Why are you mad, baby? Bye, boat. I had a great time. Right? What? Huh? Careful. I support who I'm with, who's around me.
I'm having like a video shoot next month, middle of next month.
Oh gosh, we are back, guys. I had so much fun. But the night is still young, honey. Today was crazy. I messaged her. She's on her way, or she's almost here. I don't know. Oh yeah, today was so good. Oh my god, my hair is kind of.
Yo, you want it's fucking.
My hair's kind of funny. Hey.
I told him, yo, we gotta go to Florida and get lit. Florida? Oh, California.
Remember how I went to California with Melly? You should come back.
I hate you.
No, she wants to go to Miami on my birthday. So this girl wants to travel on my birthday. Sorry, you're not on my birthday.
But they always
I'm
make
so
it
sad.
I won't. You're thinking like 1 week or a month.
No, because
Thinking
someone was
like,
telling
yo,
me
what I gotta
that,
do for
oh,
like
that I can
the
make
next
cross the border and just have the vaccine.
That's never been done.
So you
So
can't
we're thinking like, yo, about
all
the
you
future.
can do is you have to
You know what I mean? That's what it is.
No, believe me.
That's why I'm like, yo.
Sorry. No. You guys are so comfortable. You guys turning up. How do you guys feel? Right? I'm gonna change.
Shayla got into a fight with that girl, I told you, right?
Yeah, where's the sandwiches?
Sandwiches in the motherfucking oven. Open the oven, right there.
Open the oven, honey. Open the oven, honey. Open the oven. There's sandwiches in there. You're not trying to knock me over? Oh my gosh. You're trying to knock me over. Holy shit. I'm back in the game. Of course. More videos? You support you guys. Like how you support him, so I'm single. I'm single. I'm single. I'm single. I'm single.
Don't give a fuck. Bang, bang. With this bitch, man, I put that shit on everything.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I had, as always, a wonderful time. Okay guys, so that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. I had a blast. Like, it was a dope ass time, as you can see. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another video. And until next time guys, this queen is out.